Well, hello, you legends, and welcome back to the channel. A quick update on the 750. So, for those of you that have been on the channel for a while, or that aren't aware, regarding the Gsxs 750 and the associated screens that you can get for it. So I bought this one cheap off of eBay for about £26. Being 6'4", it does work quite well. I'm not going to lie, it's pretty decent, but I was never really happy with this connection in here. As you can see here, that bracket actually is supposed to connect on this fork leg here, and it's supplied with nylon spacers and a longer bolt. But I never really liked that design, to be honest. I thought it was a little bit overkill for essentially what is a bit of plastic. So, having seen a picture elsewhere of someone else that follows the channel, so thanks very much, Sanjin, for sending it through. I'll stick a link up to the screen. I'll stick a link into the screen on this video. But essentially, we'll take that off, as I've obviously removed the bolts already, and obviously this bracket mounts on there like that. So a few folk have asked about this screen before, but I bought this screen cheap because I wasn't really too sure whether or not it was going to be any good. Turns out that actually the screen does work quite well for me, so on that basis and for longer rides out, I figured that to sustain highway speed it would be a stayer. But I do like it, but I've seen a better one. So hold fire, let me get these brackets off and I'll show you the one that I've bought, because it's trying to do it one-handed, it's not working at the minute. So hang fire, I'll be right there. Right, so that's loosened up now. So what we'll do is we'll get this Allen bolt out of here. So all this is supplied with this screen. So it comes with the brackets and comes with the bolt, and it comes with this little spacer as well. So we'll just whip that off as well. That's one done, and then on this side, we'll whip that out as well. That's off there. As you can see, I've already removed the rest of the bits and pieces. So if anyone's actually wanting to know how to get in the headlight, well, it's quite straightforward. And then obviously these Allen bolts here just come out, and then you just pull that off and you can get access to the headlight with screws. Anyway, so this is the standard bit. So the new screen is this one, which I think looks a lot better, plus the fact it's got Gsxs 750 on it. But I don't know if you can see that, it actually has a, there you go, Motozar Racing, all the way from Thailand. I'll put the link to it, but I've got to say it's pretty decent looking. As you can see, it's got like a graduated look through the screen there, as you can see. Awesome. Oh, by the way, that's not mine, that's courtesy bike. All will be revealed on another video. Yeah, right, so I put that down. So this new one comes with this bit of plastic here, which I thought was pretty cool. Sticky pads on the back. Clean all that up with an alcohol rub even. Sounds like I've been on it already. Here it is here. Alcohol wipe, 3M, couple of longer screws. Obviously that goes through there. Goes on there. Take them off there. Stick that on there. And then that goes on there, like that. Boom. Job's a good one. So that's what we'll do right now. Stand by for action. So all nice and clean with a 3M alcohol rub. And now we have adhesion promoter for plastic trim attachment. So yeah, make it nice and sticky. That's that done. And we'll put the screen on and we'll put the bolts in. So yeah, as you can see there, I think that's one of the best, it's actually one of the best fitting screens I've seen for this model. Like I say, it's actually got a slight graduated effect there, although you get more reflection mainly. But I think the bike looks a bit flatter at the front. Doesn't look quite so upright. Looks a bit flatter, a bit meaner. As you can see there, that's the shape of it. That's the shape of it there. That's it connected in down there. There you go. Very quick very quick video of a slight change in screen. Much happy with that, and a lot neater. Thanks for watching.